This Flutter app has two drop-down button form fields. The first one lets us choose a payment method. Let's go with card. And the second one lets us choose a shipping option. Let's go with same-day delivery. And now our summary has been updated to reflect our choices. Let me show you how to build functionality like this using the drop-down button form field in Flutter. We start off with a blank app. As you can see, there's nothing in our app but a blank scaffold. The first thing we'll do is define the general layout of our app. In this row, we will define the title of our page, which is checkout. In this other row, we'll define the title of our summary section, and this text will have our payment option, and this will have our shipping option. Now let's define the row that is the heading of our summary section. The contents are the same, but we'll just change out the text to summary. So let's copy paste this into this other row. Now let's define our payment method and shipping options. For these two, we'll create variables which by default will say none selected, and these variables will be updated as we make the choices when the app is running. So let's first define those variables up here. Now let's put these two inside the text widgets. Now let's save. Let's minimize this so that we can see our code nicely. And now let's rebuild our app. And here is our rebuilt app. We'll start with the drop-down button form field for the payment methods. The first thing we need to define is a list of payment method options. And this list will take drop-down menu items. In here, we'll put 3 drop-down menu items. The first one for card, second for cash, and third for coupon code. Now let's go ahead and put the drop-down button form field inside our column, and we'll put it right under this sized box for spacing. The first property we need to define is items, and we will set this to our list of payment methods. The next thing we need to define is the onChanged property. And once we select an option from this drop-down button form field, we want the payment method to be updated with our selection. And we'll use a setState function so that our app rebuilds to reflect our new choice. Let's save and rebuild our app. And here is our rebuilt app. You can see we now have our drop-down button form field. If we click on it, we can see our 3 options. Let's go ahead and apply some styling to this.
Are you enjoying this video so far? Consider liking it and subscribing to this channel. Let's go on.
The first thing I want us to do is assign an icon to this drop-down button form field. The next thing we'll do is define a hint, which is choose payment method. And then we'll define the style, which will be a text style where the text will be bold. Let's save and rebuild. And now we have our hint and our text is now bold. Now let's add some color to this, and at the same time, let's round these corners. We'll add the color using the decoration property. And we'll round the corners using the border radius property. Let's save and rebuild our app. And now we have a much better looking drop-down button form field where we're able to select cash, for example, and cash reflects in our summary. We can select coupon code, that reflects as well, or card, and that reflects as well. We'll now build a similar drop-down button form field for the shipping option. The first thing we'll do is to create a list of shipping options. So we'll copy and paste this list, but then change the values to shipping option values. The next thing we'll do is to add the drop-down button form field inside our column. We'll start with a sized box for spacing. Then we'll copy this drop-down button form field and paste it, and then change the payment method options to shipping options. Then let's add another sized box here for spacing. We save and rebuild our app. And here is our app. We can now select a payment method. Let's go with cash. And we can also choose a shipping option. Let's do 3-day delivery. We are free to change our selections as we wish. Let's change this shipping option to same-day delivery. And we can see that our drop-down button form fields are working as expected. So this is how you build drop-down button form fields in Flutter. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll help you out. If you have any other comments, drop them in the comment section as well. And if you have found value in this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to this channel with the notifications turned on so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. This has been the Flutter Coach, and I will see you in the next one.